Everyone, welcome back to my blog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. For today's blog, let's have some kakanin. Is Filipino dessert. It is Filipino dessert, Filipino style. This is sweet sticky rice. It's called biko. Biko with um dessert. This is like made with sweet rice, coconut with coconut milk. Is yummy. Look at this, yummy. Is labor of love. So I ordered it to one of my good friend that she do catering for dessert and Filipino cuisine. So it's yummy and delicious. So is you know who you are. You're the best uh, baking bibingka for Ilocano style. So there you go. Sweet rice with latik. It is roasted coconut on top. So yummy and delicious. And this is the suman cassava. That's cassava. Yummy. This is suman. Is rice. Suman is sweet rice also with coconut milk and brown sugar. And this is cassava is yuca root. Is suman too. So there you go. Let's eat. And while you guys waiting for, enjoy and God bless. So long everyone. Let's have some dessert. Yummy and delicious. So let's eat. And while you guys waiting for, let's eat. This is good for undas. Our tradition like undas for like All Saints Day. So for Fiesta ng Patay. So for All Saints Day, this is our tradition. We have biko for tradition. So enjoy and God bless and so long. And this is one of my favorite yummy suman, balinghoy, suman na kasaba, and suman na malagkit. So let's eat. It cooked with coconut milk and brown sugar and wrapped with banana leaves, just like that. So yummy, yummy and delicious. So she worked hard with this. Yummy, yummy and delicious. So yummy, yummy is good. Look at that. Very yummy and delicious. So it's come off from the leaves already. Look at this. Yummy and delicious. Let's eat. Enjoy and God bless. So long, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your night and God bless everyone. So thank you and have a good night and have a good weekend to you all and God bless everyone. Thank you for watching. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you and God bless you all.